welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and you guys are watching Ritu's Rainbow World. So as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about a review of a new mic that I have purchased from Amazon. Now I do get a recommendation that you should change your mic because yes, it is a long mic which I am speaking with. It is pretty much, I will show you the old mic. So this is the one. When I will remove this, it will be somewhere like this. So this is the mic that I used to use in my channel. I've completed like 504 videos. So I used to use completely this mic from the start. Yes, absolutely, like 2 years I've used this mic, and it's now a peak time that I wanted to actually change this mic, and I have got a request that please do change your mic for a good voice, or probably your voices are not that clear or something like that. And I thought of finally doing it. Now I did order a mic which I have I will also insert a picture of this. So this is the one that I did purchase from Amazon. It is an amazing mic, lavalier microphone. So this is from Cadence. Now Cadence, if you all don't know, do manufactures a lot of musical instruments and all of that. So Cadence is something which is again a very amazing brand, because I did made a video about a guitar that my husband have purchased, or we purchased together. So that was also from Cadence, and this mic is also from Cadence, which is again an amazing quality. So I will just put this on. So that's the reason I thought just to upgrade my mic. Now there are a lot of things that I need to upgrade, but I would always need your support before doing that. So it was a peak time that I do replace my mic, and finally I did that. And if you wanted to really know that what all things I used to create this look, I just used it very basic. I use this illuminator from Neon Stroke Cream. So the consistency I have already shown you. And apart from that, I just used a basic foundation, which is again a Lakme, which is again very basic. Whenever I don't wanted to use any heavy kind of foundation is when I use Lakme. And next thing I did used, I have just inserted light. So the next thing that I have used is the Charion Ka blusher and highlighter contour palette. That is something that I have used, very simple basic thing. And the brush that I have used is again this particular brush, which I always use and I've showed in multiple videos. So that is the one that I have actually used. And the eyeshadow palette that I did use is a Mercury Retro Great. This is a very nude palette, so yes, that is the one that I did use. And for the eyebrows, I did use this Neon Eyebrow Powder. So this is easily available everywhere, and you can also get it for yourself as well. And that's pretty much, I don't think I have used anything else. So yes, if you have little queries, and I do keep on seeing the pings and everything, that from where, what is this, what have you used. So I have already mentioned what I have used. So coming back to the topic is the microphone. So I will just insert a pic of how it came, and also I will insert a pic of how it was properly arranged in this. And this is 6 meter, so that if we it can be used in DSLR. It can be used in other professional equipments. If we use drone for some travel vlog, there also it can be used, and a lot of other stuff. So there easily it can be used. So that's the reason I did thought of investing on this. It was a little pricey, like $899 in Amazon, but again it's a professional mic, and it is 6 meter. Now it comes in 3 meter, and then other even 5 meter was there, 3 meters were there, 2 meter were there, but the longest one is the 6 meter that I got. So that way it is huge. So this is completely wrapped with the jack. You get 2 jacks, one for your mobile, and the other one jack is for the laptop or computer. You can use that. I just wanted to highlight this, I'm not sure. Yes, this is the jack. So the first wire somewhere comes like this, completely tangled, and then it is again going huge. I will make a close pic of this. And then this is the one where it has a battery system, and you have to actually twist it and open it. And then you have a battery inserted in this. It will come with a battery, and then you have to pull this particular thing and the battery will come out. So the battery is somewhere like this. And then when you have completed inserting all the batteries and everything, you can simply go ahead and bind this and close it. Then this is the one with having a hook, so you can definitely hook it up, and this goes and goes and goes, and comes the mic. This is something the mic is. It's a very small with a hook. Now the smaller the mic, the more efficient it is something that I did my research and got it. It is super efficient, and also comes with this kind of a sponge for the mic, so that you can easily insert this and tuck it. Now you must be wondering where to hook this and where to hook this. So it is very difficult where to hook. You can definitely hook it at the back, hook it inside your whatever you're wearing, and then definitely it is in the collar for the mic. So I absolutely love this particular mic. I will give you a very close pic of the entire mic, how it was arranged, all the pics and everything was inserted. I did film a video on this. I think the video was I forgot. I already filmed it today. Facial. So for the tan skin, how can you get rid of little tan in your skin after the Goa trip, that I have actually filmed it. So do let me know how is that voice quality, because many of you wanted me to change the mic, and finally I did it. So do let me know how is the voice and everything on the new mic compared to this old mic, which is somewhere like this. But again, I am not going to throw this, because this mic is very close to my heart. When I didn't have like 20-25 subscribers, is that time when I had this mic, and I did spend a lot of time on this mic, and I still would use this mic sometimes in case of vlogging or somewhere like this. But I'm not gonna just simply discard it, because the wire and the quality of this mic is also as good as the professional one. But definitely a professional mic will have a lot of cancellation of the fan, cancellation of the other wind and everything that is there, and but this doesn't have that much features. Now I will go through what all the features this particular professional mic is having. Again, that is lavalier microphone. The features is clip-on mic, for these smartphones, DSLR, camcorders, audio corders, PC, etc. Now omnidirection condenser mic. Now that is something which is amazing. It is omnidirection, one direction. High quality condenser is ideal for video use. Low handling noise. That is not the complete noise cancellation, but again it is a low handling one. Includes label clip, battery, and a wide screen 1/4 adapter, which is also there. Specifications is also mentioned. Frequency range is 65 to 18 kilohertz. Connector 3.5 mm. Battery type is LR44. Dimensions is microphone 18 mmH into 830 mmW. Cable is 6 meter, which is already I've told you. And the weight is 2.5 gram, and the power machine is 18 gram. So all the features are mentioned over here, and everything was inserted in this. It's a small thing, but it's a very power packed thing. Even my husband do sings songs, so I will definitely tell him to sing and then let me know how this actually works, and how is the difference coming on that way. So yeah, that's pretty much. I'll insert a closer look of the entire microphone. That will help you to understand if you really wanted to invest amazing quality of this mic, which can be used in a DSLR, camcorder, and all other things. Then you can definitely go ahead and use that. So yes, that's pretty much for today's video, and I will definitely come very soon with the Amazon haul. I have ordered a pretty good number of things, including some books and the travel bags and all of that. So definitely I'll come up with the Amazon haul very soon. Hopefully by this week, because I have a lot of videos to post this week, including the Goa ka vlog. So I've literally done bits and pieces vlogs of Goa. I just need to edit it and I will just ready to get uploaded. So do stay tuned to my channel. And if you really wanted to know some details of Goa beach, I will make 2 videos or probably 3 videos where actually I will be speaking in length how to travel to Goa if you are the person who never visited Goa and you are planning to have a trip to Goa, or probably you did visit Goa but you couldn't cover a lot of things. I was a person who was very confused. When the first time, way long back when I visited Goa, I was a little confused कि इतने सारे beaches है, कैसे cover करें, कहाँ पे main halt करें, and then how can we go about it. So I will make a specific video about it first, and then I'll include all the vlogs and the places that I visited. So I hope that vlog will also be very helpful to you, and also this vlog. And if you really like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, please follow me on Instagram, because बहुत सारे अपडेट है जो मैं Instagram में अपडेट करती हूँ, चाहे वो न्यू वीडियोस का हो, कुछ नया व्लॉग्स हो, वहाँ पे भी आप लोग मुझे DM करते हो. सो आई डू टेक अ लॉट ऑफ सजेशंस ऑन क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. एंड बहुत जल्दी Instagram के कुछ स्टोर्स हैं जहाँ से मैं परचेज की हूँ, एंड you will get to see a lot of review on that, like cold lava and all of other stuffs that is already uploaded. So all भी बहुत सारे Instagram stores के reviews रहेंगे, कुछ there are a lot of videos lined up. So if you really wanted to know what all it is, then don't forget to follow me in this channel. I do have a cooking channel which is Ritu's Kitchen, जहाँ पे again veg, non-veg snacks, all the recipes are there, smoothies are there, Bengali cuisines are there, Marathi cuisines are there. So you can definitely go ahead and follow me there. बहुत जल्दी जो recipes बन सकती है, those are the recipes that I included. ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत लंबा रेसिपी है तो नहीं, बट कुछ टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स जो है मैं डेफिनेटली शेयर करती हूँ, जैसे रिसेंटली साबूदाना खिचड़ी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट आई डिड शेयर. सो प्लीज डू फॉलो मी ओवर देयर इफ यू आर लिटिल बिट इंटरेस्टेड इन cooking, or you want to help your mother or your sister out there, then please don't forget to follow me over there. So that's pretty much for today's video. I will definitely come up with a new video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and stay safe.